Top 9 artifacts you didn't know were in the British Museum. The British Museum, nestled in the heart of London, England, is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture. Renowned for its extensive collections spanning thousands of years, the museum is a must-visit destination for history buffs, art enthusiasts, and curious travelers alike. If you're planning a visit to London or simply exploring through a virtual lens, the British Museum offers a captivating glimpse into the stories and artifacts that have shaped humanity. In this detailed guide, we'll explore the history of the British Museum, its iconic exhibits, and practical tips for making the most of your visit. Along the way, we'll uncover some hidden gems in London and highlight why this institution remains a cornerstone of British heritage. 1. History of the British Museum. 1.1 The founding of a global icon. Established in 1753, the British Museum was the first national public museum in the world. It was founded with a vision to make human knowledge accessible to everyone. The museum's creation was largely due to the donation of Sir Hans Sloane's collection of over 71,000 items, including books, manuscripts, natural specimens, and antiquities. 1.2 The British Museum through the ages. Over the centuries, the museum has grown into one of the most celebrated cultural institutions globally. Its impressive neoclassical building, completed in 1857, has become a landmark of London's art and culture. The museum's ever-expanding collection now exceeds 8 million objects, showcasing treasures from every corner of the globe. 1.3 A cultural treasure for all. The British Museum's mission remains steadfast: to preserve and share humanity's collective heritage. Admission is free, making it a symbol of accessible education and cultural exploration for visitors from around the world. 2. Iconic exhibits and galleries. 2.1 The Rosetta Stone. Arguably the museum's most famous artifact, the Rosetta Stone unlocked the secrets of ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. This basalt slab, discovered in 1799, bears inscriptions in 3 scripts: Greek, Demotic, and hieroglyphic. Its discovery marked a turning point in Egyptology and continues to draw millions of visitors annually. 2.2 The Elgin Marbles. The Parthenon sculptures, also known as the Elgin Marbles, are a stunning display of ancient Greek artistry. These marble carvings, originally part of the Parthenon Temple in Athens, showcase the craftsmanship of the 5th century BCE and highlight the debates surrounding cultural heritage and repatriation. 2.3 Ancient Egyptian Mummies. The museum's Egyptian galleries house one of the largest collections of mummies and artifacts outside of Egypt. From intricately painted coffins to funerary statues, these displays offer a fascinating look into ancient Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife. 2.4 The Lewis Chessmen. Discovered on the Isle of Lewis in Scotland, the Lewis chessmen are intricately carved pieces dating back to the 12th century. These iconic figures represent the rich cultural history of the British Isles and have become a favorite among visitors. 2.5 The Great Court. No visit to the British Museum is complete without a stop at the Great Court, a stunning architectural marvel. Designed by Sir Norman Foster, its glass roof covers the central courtyard, creating a serene and luminous space for visitors to relax and explore. 3. Hidden gems in the British Museum. While the museum's iconic exhibits are well known, its vast collection holds countless hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. The Japanese Gallery, featuring exquisite samurai armor, delicate ceramics, and traditional ukiyo-e prints. The Enlightenment Gallery, a time capsule of 18th century thought, showcasing curiosities from around the world. Assyrian lion hunt reliefs, stunning stone carvings depicting royal hunts, offering a glimpse into the grandeur of the Assyrian Empire. The Mexican Codices, rare pre-Columbian manuscripts that reveal the sophisticated writing systems of Mesoamerican civilizations. 4. Virtual tours and modern innovations. For those unable to visit in person, the British Museum offers comprehensive museum tour experiences online. These virtual tours provide an immersive journey through the galleries, allowing you to explore everything from ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces from the comfort of your home. Highlights of virtual tours. 360-degree views of iconic exhibits. Interactive displays with detailed descriptions. Insights into museum exhibits unveiled for digital audiences. 5. British Museum and cultural debates. The British Museum has long been at the center of discussions about cultural heritage and artifact repatriation. High-profile cases, such as the Elgin marbles and the Benin bronzes, have sparked global conversations about the ethics of collecting and preserving historical artifacts. These debates underscore the importance of the museum's role as a steward of human history, navigating the complexities of ownership, preservation, and education. 6. Practical tips for visiting the British Museum. 6.1 Planning your visit. Opening hours. The museum is open daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., with extended hours on select Fridays. Admission. Entry is free, but donations are encouraged to support the museum's work. 6.2 Guided tours. The museum offers a variety of guided tours, including themed walks and private group experiences. These tours provide expert insights into the exhibits and are a fantastic way to enhance your visit. 6.3 Accessibility. The British Museum is fully accessible, with step-free entrances, elevators, and wheelchairs available for use. 6.4 Nearby attractions. Combine your museum visit with nearby landmarks such as the British Library, Covent Garden, and the Royal Opera House to create a memorable day in London. 7. Why visit the British Museum? 7.1 A Gateway to World History. From ancient civilizations to contemporary cultures, the British Museum offers a comprehensive journey through time and geography. 7.2 Free access. Its commitment to free admission ensures that knowledge and culture are accessible to all. 7.3 A family-friendly destination. Interactive exhibits and family-focused activities make the museum a fantastic destination for visitors of all ages, including kids. 7.4 Cultural education. The museum's collection serves as an invaluable resource for students, researchers, and lifelong learners seeking to deepen their understanding of human history. 8. The British Museum in popular culture. The British Museum has appeared in numerous films, documentaries, and books, cementing its status as a cultural icon. Notable appearances include the 2014 film Night at the Museum, Secret of the Tomb, which brought its exhibits to life in a whimsical way. Documentaries highlighting its role in preserving artifacts and fostering global dialogue. 9. Conclusion. A must-see destination in London. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an art lover, or a curious traveler, the British Museum offers an unparalleled experience of discovery and learning. From its world-renowned exhibits like the Rosetta Stone and Elgin marbles to its lesser-known hidden gems, the museum invites visitors to explore the stories that have shaped our world. Plan your visit to this remarkable institution or embark on a travel virtual tour to uncover the rich tapestry of human history and culture. The British Museum exploration is more than a journey through the past. It's an adventure that connects us to the shared heritage of humanity.